What is going on out? How did you do that? Zach, what is going on? What's up, bud? Yeah, I remember the SCX-24 Injora toe straps were made out of, yes, bungee cord, and they were garbage. That's why I got you these. By the way, why do you have it? What do you mean you're getting ready? For the what? No, for the what? For the boys. Dusty's loving it. No, don't you even dare. Wait. No, don't you you know how close we are to 300 subscribers. Yes, I know Thanksgiving's coming and we want 365 subscribers for 365. Yes, I know. No, not for the boys. I hope you boys are having fun, because this is going to take a minute to fix. Would I drive... Oh, shit! Those Injora screws are just top quality, aren't they? Sorry for the interruption, bud. What were you saying? Would I bungee jump in a Toyota 4Runner for 1,000,000 subs? I don't know if I'd bungee jump at all. Don't bungee jump your crawler without a good set of screws. There you go. That's the goal. 365 and 365. Thanksgiving is our anniversary, so please, at 1,000,000 subs, yeah, I'll strap them on and we'll all go bungee jumping.